In Dispatcher Workspace, we can add multiple time zones to manage schedules more efficiently. To begin, navigate to User under User Administration. For this example, we'll select a user who's a dispatcher in Europe. Select and hold, or right-click, Time Zone and select Configure Dictionary. From the choices list, we'll filter the label to Europe. Navigate to the Inactive column. Select a time zone to change and we'll adjust the setting from True to False. When finished, select Update. Dispatchers can now select multiple cities and time zones and add them to their Dispatcher Workspace.